Oh my goodness, I'm here with my co-worker Jenn O'Brien, and Jenn is playing in the next hashtag Connect4Charity, aren't you, Jenn?
Yes, I am.
Are you excited?
Super excited.
Heck yeah, let's go on inside. Hey everybody, we are at Toyota Bowling Green and we're playing with Jenn O'Brien. Can I ask you a question?
Sure.
Why did you decide to play hashtag Connect4Charity for the historic rail park this month?
It's going towards a great cause, and Kinny sits right beside me, so kind of had to do a little bit.
Hashtag drop the checker. Go ahead. All right, there we go. And yes, I kind of, Jenn, you know, I kind of start talking to you because, you know, I've been kind of trying to distract my competition from winning. It's something that I've been doing here for the past few games.
Distraction?
Yeah, but it doesn't look like it's working with you. So, look, see, I thought I had her right there. Did you see that? I thought I had her. So, hashtag Connect4Charity is going on April 26th at Trent Betting. Do you know what time you're playing?
1 o'clock. 1 o'clock.
Okay. Your turn. I'm going to go there. Oh, guys, did you see that? I really thought I had her. There we go. And, yeah. Guys, it gets really intense like this sometimes.
I just hope my competitor's ready for this intense Connect4 game.
Oh, you mean the person you're playing against?
The person I'm playing against.
Wow. Let's see here. Look at you trying to get Connect4 there.
You know, there's always got to be a strategy.
There. Boom. Guys, I didn't even see that. I think you could have beat me in a few less moves than that. Were you just trying to be nice?
I'm always a nice person, so yes.
Okay. Well, great game.
Yes, great game.
And I look forward to seeing you at Trent Betting on April 16th at what, 1 o'clock?
1 o'clock.
All right, be there or be square hashtag save the depot.